Hi everybody, today I'm gonna unbox this. I'm pretty sure this is a slammer handle. Wearing my G-Shock. Gonna open up this box, let's go see. If I'm not mistaken, I saw it come in yesterday on the eBay, says delivered. Yep, there it is. Sorry, still trying to wake up. Anyway, this is gonna be the handle for the slammer. On the other hand, I'm gonna be using it for the spinfisher, the VI, the 4500. Because I did the video before when I wasn't too sure if the slammer handle is gonna fit onto the spinfisher. Threads right on, securely goes on. Let's see if that's how it's supposed to be. There's some gap at the bottom, but it threads right on, it gets tight, blah blah blah. Yeah, it looks about the same amount of gap right over here. So you can see that the spinfisher, for one, has a T-knob. I don't know, since I got the slammer, it got kind of, I guess, spoiled to have the power knob. It's a lovely feature. Plus, since it's aluminum, it's easier to clean. It's not gonna hold the smell of the fish as much as a T-knob. Right now I'm trying to do everything. Okay. So you can see that I'm gonna gain some leverage with the slammer handle. If I'm not mistaken. Just because of the handle. Let's go take it out. On these smaller size reels, any leverage is better than zero. So just by a little bit, a hair, but that hair makes a difference whenever you talk about leverage and everything else. Was it worth the 60 some odd dollars? I'm not too sure. At that price, I should have bought one more slammer when it was on sale. It's no longer on sale, but here you go. Here's the Penn Slammer 3 handle on a 4500 spinfisher. I bought it just for the spinfisher that I have. I tend to throw this out plenty, tend to use it plenty, so it deserves to have a nice handle that's comfortable. And that's my opinion. Okay, well, just wanted to make it short and sweet. At least it can fit. It has a good handle on there now that I can grip any which way. It's a lot easier. And cleaning, the maintaining part, not so better because you gotta. I would suggest using like a coin because me, I don't have my other slammers around. It's inside the car. I was using the biggest flathead screwdriver before and I dinged up all the sides. I would use like a nickel or a dime or a quarter. Put it in there and twist it off. But anyway, yeah, it has two ball bearings right over here, 1 and 2. Every so often you gotta go oil it up. Otherwise it takes a beating and starts being raspy along with the roller bearing for the slammer. This one hasn't gotten raspy yet. Anyway, thank you. Have a good day.